Aussie USD, an amazing trade. This is what's happening basically. So let me show you before right here, and as usual, let me try to zoom for you guys to confirm that these things do work. Was taken on March, you can see March 7th right there, and of course today is 8th right here, March 8th, Friday, as I'm recording this video. All right, so let me take you through and show you what I saw and how I did make this entry. And as usual, guys, check out my premier, VIP. I gave them this trade, right over here. I say, Aussie USD, this is the entry, this is the stop loss TP right there. And then I say, NB, my past results don't determine future results, risk only 1%. And remember, we have news, and also tomorrow is NFP, which is today. We have an NFP news coming. So as usual, this was a very simple trade, so I'll hit my replay tool around that level. Before that, let me just do this. All right, so let me hit this level right there. Now, as usual, this is a very simple trade, guys. You can see I had no complicated analysis, and even if I take you back to the daily, let me just hit that. You see, there is nothing, guys. So we only had this trend right here, this trend line right there. That is only what I had. So I was taking this entry based on that trend line, and then also when you try to zoom around this level right here, I needed to know how price is approaching those two zones. So I'm talking about this resistance right here and also this resistance right there. So let's go back to the H for now. All right. So if you watch my previous videos, guys, I usually said like, understand how the market's approaching a support or a resistance. Okay. And if you know the nature that the market is approaching a support or a resistance, then I believe you will know, or you'll predict where the market wants to go. So all I just had to do is understand how the market is going to react around that level. And as usual, guys, you understand that most people do take their position, sell position at the resistance, and they take their buy position at the support. But I'm just always doing the opposite, guys. What majority don't do. I trade against everybody, almost everybody, so when you guys are taking sales, I take my buys, and when you guys are taking a buy position, I'm taking my sell position. So you understand. So look at this right here. Everybody knows, all the retail traders, we had that, first touch, second touch, and of course at the third touch, everybody is taking their sell position, right? Because every article that you've been reading says that anytime the market hits a support, a resistance, take your sell position, and anytime the market hits a support, take your buy position. So I believe most people were taking their buys right there. Okay, now we are in profit. Let me take you back to the H1 right there. All right, now, we are now in profit. And guess what? The market is going up to give me a double top. Oh yeah, this is a double top right here. So if this market wants to give me a double top, it's going to confirm, hey man, I'm going to take my sell position once again, add maybe another position right here, and target around this level. Okay, let's see what the market did. What's happening? So you see, they was topped out because you never understood what the market is doing. All right, so let me explain, guys. The reason why I say that I'm going against most of the traders is like this, guys. Look at this. If we had an impulse, this is a correction, impulse, mini version of a correction, impulse, then this market is giving me a correction or a continuation pattern. So why will I take a sell position? Are you crazy? So we understand after an impulse we have a correction, and also after correction we expect an impulse. And if you see right here, that is a correction, and after correction we get an impulse. So look at this. If I take out this level, maybe from this zone right here until this zone, so we understand that after a correction we expect the markets to continue moving all the way up. So let me take you to the 15. Now to the 15, this is very clear, guys. This is way too good. And if you kind of see, we had this type of a play, I have videos talking about this type of patterns. After correction, expect impulse. So immediately that happened, let me take you back to the H1. I did take my, in fact, I had no drawdown basically. Let me show you when I did take that entry. Oh yeah, I had let me see. Yeah, of course I had a drawdown. Sorry, I had like 9 pip drawdown, and I was still okay with that because I said every day I say be calm, understand the market. The market will not just go all the way up. The market will have to breathe. Goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, or goes down, comes up, goes down. So that is when I called in for my sale. Look at this. And you can confirm. Let me show you that, guys, I do take these trades. So yeah, of course, we about Profirms, we are using DX trade. So if we look at this Aussie USD, my entry position, let me show you where is the entry. Okay, 0.65 65845 65845, I believe so. Let me double click on that. 0.65845. Let's confirm once again. 0.65845. So you see, guys, it's making sense. You understand? So that is when I called in for my buy position, and of course right here. Oh yeah, that's making sense. So let the market do its thing. This is an amazing trade. It's an amazing trade. And let me show you the target. So our first TP, basically we can say this level had to be the first TP right here because that was a resistance, and of course that was smashed. And our second TP basically should be this level, which is maybe the final TP. But I never wanted to target all the way to this final TP because understanding the 90% rule, maybe this might be the 90% because I don't want to target the 100% thing, at least 90%. Oh, that's the current market price. Okay, so basically Aussie USD has moved around 50 pips, but today is NFP. You understand, NFP, you are on the US dollar, so things might be crazy. We might lose our profit, or the market might still continue shooting all the way to our favor. But look at this. I told my gang in the morning, remember today is NFP, and Aussie moved almost 50 pips. CAD CHF still playing around 15 pips. Make sure you protect your profit. Remember, 50 pips is more than a scalp or a day trading thing. Let me talk about CAD CHF. All right here, this pair is way too slow. I don't know why she is doing this, man. On CAD CHF, I'll take you back to the daily. Too slow and boring, but patience is the key. You understand? So once again, boom. Once again, trend. Most of you hate trend lines, okay? But there's no problem. Continue hating trend line. And I keep on saying, understand the market structure. Impulse, correction, impulse. This is a correction. And you guess what? After correction, we expect the market to continue doing this nonsense. If you have that type of thing in mind, then why will you take a sell position when the market is giving you bullish property? And guess what? Let's add more confidence. All right, so look at this. If you understand about shapes and patterns, guys, you understand that this is the left shoulder right here, this is the head. Market went up to retest that neckline, and this is another bullish flag to give us a right shoulder. We should be going up, conference after conference. You just don't take the entry based on one confluence. Makes sense. That's an inverse head and shoulder. Let me take you back to the H1. Now on the H1, the price broke out of this bullish flag once again, and then guess what? I made my entry right here, I believe so, right there. But the market is crazy. We just need to respect the market instead of the market continuing impulse correction, impulse the market to give us correction, continues going up, but now the market has now continued giving us another bullish flag. In short, this is an impulse and our correction, and we expect the market to continue doing this sort of nonsense, beautiful nonsense, until we get to our target. So let me show you when I call in for that buy position once again, right here, card CHF, and of course let me show you before, and I'll help you guys to zoom. You need to have eyes. All right, was taken on March 6th right here. I hope you guys can come on. Why is this thing zooming all the way? Right here, before it zooms out, March 6th around 10:47 UTC, and of course today is March 8th. Guys, being transparent, and as usual, I do take the screenshot before and after. So this is the market, and let me hit that replay tool for you guys to see what I'm talking about right there. All right, you see, like I said before, I made that entry right there. Okay, so you see, before the market continued giving us bullish flag, so I made that entry right there, then boom, the market started giving us drawdown. There was also news during this period, and of course you see the market wanted to take me out. Oh, of course my stop loss was right here. I don't care about pullbacks as long as I understand that I'm in the right direction. I'm trading with the bank. So you see the market gave us around 16 to 18 pips, then started giving us, okay, I thought that that's another correction, of course, impulse, like I said before, correction, impulse. So I'm expecting the market to hit this level and goes up, continue doing this like this. But then guess what, we won't do anything, because the market is the market. The market decides what she wants to do. So we see the market went up, went down, went up, now started giving us another bigger version or a smaller version of a bullish flag, and of course we anticipate, boom, that's a signal I've given you. But remember, NFP is on the way. I don't know if it might impact our card CHF, and if you want to confirm, let me show you 65,153. 65,153. This is the entry right there, 65,153. Right, let's see on the DX trade, 65,153 right here, 0.65153. I make those entries. I just don't give out signals, or maybe fake these things. You understand? And this is also another funded account. I have like 3 accounts, yep, different funded accounts. So this is another one, another challenge that I'm trying to start basically. And let's see what the market did. Okay, let the market do its thing. Don't die. I keep on saying, whenever you see the market pulling back, don't die. It's just another opportunity that this market is trying to give you. If you miss out on the first entry position, the market will give you another opportunity for you to take your entry, with a buy position or a sell position. Guys, if you want to check out my Telegram, link in the description below. So share this video to your loved ones, make them learn also. And adios, mi amigos, peace.